Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
All right, Robert, where we at?
We just finished up the windshield on this R8. It's got 3M crystalline on it. We're just getting it cleaned up so that way we can get it delivered today.
Shut that door.
Shut that door.
Shut that door.
Shut that door.
Shut the door.
Shut the door! Shut the door!
All right, so we got the new 2021 Audi R8 V10 in here, and we're finishing it up. We did a paint correction on it. We also did bumper to bumper complete coverage with the 3M satin paint protection film, and we also did crystalline on the windshield, and then we followed it all up by the new 3M ceramic coating, 2 layers. We did a wheels off package ceramic coating, so we covered the entire barrel, the entire wheel face, and the entire caliper. And right now we're just touching it up and getting ready to deliver it.
You can have that one.
I am time traveling.
Rain don't stop us.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you, and my heart will glide across the miles, fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today